Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
What's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install an SSD to your laptop which already has a hard drive. So you can use this SSD as a secondary drive for your laptop to speed up your Windows, etc. So let's start the video. So first of all, you're going to need your actual laptop, your SSD. I have the ADATA SU650. If you want to see its unboxing video, I'll put a link above. Also, you're going to need a second hard disk drive caddy for it, because I'm going to install my hard drive on the DVD Rom bay and the SSD on the internal port. I'm going to tell you that later why. You're going to need a screwdriver to open your laptop. You're going to need a USB which already has a bootable Windows in it. I'm not going to copy the old window to the new one because I just want to install a new window on my SSD. If you want to do so, you can do that as well. Anyways, first of all, we have to open our laptop. So the first thing you need to know is the size of your caddy. If your laptop has a 9.5 millimeter DVD ROM, then you're going to require a 9.5 millimeter hard disk drive caddy like this. If your one has 12.7, you're going to need a 12.7 one. If you don't know the size of your DVD ROM of your laptop, you can check that as well. I have already made a video on that. The link will be shown above here and in the video's description as well. So you should definitely check that video out before buying a caddy. And SSD, it depends on your price range, how much you can buy. So first of all, let's just open our laptop. So mine is a Dell Inspiron 5570. So the way it works, that I have to flip my laptop backward, and here I have a number of screws. First of all, on any laptop you need to remove the DVD ROM. So here is the screw of the DVD ROM, so I'm going to remove it first. And also keep track of where you are removing your DVD screws, because these screws come in different sizes, so be sure to check its size. Now you can just simply pull this DVD ROM out, and it's out. So I'm going to put in the side, because I'm not going to insert my SSD on the DVD ROM, because it is a SATA 1 port, and if you don't know, SATA 1 only supports 150 MB of speed, meaning that your SSD will not work on its maximum performance. This is a SATA 3 SSD, and it can support up to 600 MB of speed. So my internal hard drive is connected to the SATA 3 port, so that's why I'm going to connect this to the internal port and the internal one to the DVD caddy. If your DVD port supports SATA SSC, then you don't need to have do all this step open. You can just simply remove your DVD ROM and put in the caddy, and you're all done. But the step is same after that. After I'm going to open my laptop, so let me just open my Dell Inspiron 5570. I'm going to put this at a side. So I have mounted all the screws. Now I'm going to install my internal hard drive using this caddy. So here is the caddy along with its 4 screws and a screwdriver. So before I install, I'm going to install the hard drive first. So here is my hard drive. I'm going to align it in this way, and I'm going to gently press it inside until so it's firmly inside. So I'm now just going to mount the screws. We just install the hook that is present on our DVD. So we're going to remove it and we're going to place it in the same manner like this. So let me just remove the two screws. So now I am going to do a startup speed test. Now I have installed the ADATA SU650 SSD. So now let's see how much time does it take to start up the laptop completely. I have installed all the Windows and the program that I have installed on the previous Windows when I had the hard drive. So let's start the test. Here I have my timer in 3, 2, 1. Windows logo. Okay, the password. So it took about 29.8 and you can say about 30 seconds to completely start the PC, whereas when I had the HDD or the hard disk drive, it took about 2 minutes to start the laptop. So there is a huge difference. So anyways guys, this is how you can install a SSD on your laptop if your laptop also has a hard disk drive. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching this video.